Hi all, today I'm gonna show you how to make, with the help of AI, cooler profile photos for your social media, or just play around if you want. So for this, what you wanna do is go into the Edge panel, go to Drawing Assist. Okay, what you wanna do is you wanna add a photo of yourself, and I'm gonna add this photo. But there is something I don't like. For example, I will say with beard. Done, and let's generate, see what happens. I like this. You can choose so many things. Let's see. Sketch, generate one more. There we go. You can play around. Actually, this one I'm gonna download. I'm gonna save it to the gallery. And yeah, you have so many options you can play around, and it's gonna generate in seconds for you. Please do remember this, we will have a watermark, but this is possible to remove as well from the gallery when you edit the photos, but you find that in another video of mine. This is it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.